Hello, this is Cool Bomber /123 Magnificent showing you how to craft a diamond pickaxe and a furnace. Okay, so you need cobblestone. I didn't mine it. Okay, back to cobblestone. And I'm showing you how to make a pickaxe because that's how you're going to mine the stone so you can have cobblestone. So, but put 2 right here. And then you take your oak wood and put it a line across. That's how a pickaxe looks. So now you have your wooden pickaxe. So you mine it, and now you have cobblestone. You surround the crafting table with cobblestone, and now you have a furnace. To power furnace, it's either coal or wood. So this is 123 Magnificent /Cool Bomber saying bye. So bye.